Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. How about some mincemeat pie? If you're a youngster, you probably don't even know what mincemeat pie is. But I do, and it is so good. I remember back to what my dad used to say. Well, no mincemeat pie this fall because the season was closed. There wasn't enough mince to take, and he acted like he was an animal. Of course, he's laughing, the whole time. He would say, "Oh, you can't raise them in captivity," every excuse in the world. So we would all laugh and sit around. And of course, I love mincemeat pie. Mincemeat pie is actually, it's minced meat, the meat out of raisins or dried pears or dried peaches, and you might think of like a cinnamon base, not spicy, but I mean just real flavorful. If you never had a piece of mincemeat pie and you ever get a chance, try some. I will tell you, you can buy the filling in Walmart, but it's pretty expensive. But anyway, it's really good, especially with a big old dollop of whipped cream on the top of it. Oh my God, homemade whipped cream. Not no squirt can, but the real deal. It is so good like that. Anyway, I just remembered about my dad this morning, what he used to say about mincemeat pie. Thought I would share this with you all. And y'all have a happy day, and see you on the next video. The old dude is out of here.